Hello everyone, and yes, it's coming, international greeting time. Here we go. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, здравствуйте, привет, bună, dzień dobry, sziasztok, hello, and xin chào, yobosio, salam alaikum, saskriakal, and marhaban. Yes, welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Brunel, everyone across the world. It is the February 2018 unboxing of Roccabox, which usually retails for £10 plus £3 for delivery, so it costs about £13 or about every month. You can cancel it at any time if you so wish. And they take the money on the 1st of the month, and then they start shipping the items out around the 5th or the 6th of the month. So I have no idea, genuinely, no idea, nothing, rien du tout, any idea what's inside the box. So we are going to discover together. Woo! I've just taken the packaging off because the hand is frozen again. I can hardly move these fingers, so you would have seen me struggling to open the top. So all I've done is taken this bit off. Right, so first things first. There it is. And there it is. So let's have a look in here. It says, hello lovelies, hello to you my lovelies. Okay, reading time. Well, February is here, you don't say. At last, we finally waved goodbye to Dr. Jan, good riddance, and Valentine's Day is nearly here. So dust yourself off, rediscover your makeup bag, and get ready to face the world again. We've pulled out all the stops to put together a box that's going to get you totally ready for February, a carefully crafted collection of goodies, miracle products, and makeup must-haves that will have you prepped, preened, and date ready in no time. I am not going anywhere, so never mind. So it says here, here's a peek at what we're treating you. We're treating you to. Okay, first item, and I will list all the items in a description box, by the way, if you want to check it in there. I'm just going according to the list here and their prices, and somewhere I'll put the total value of the items. So first things first, it says here, Laritzy Cosmetics Deep Orchid Liquid Lip Stain. Recommended retail price is usually £14. Ooh! I'm looking at the colour and I'm thinking, oh, the colour looks fantastic. Okay, I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. It doesn't take much to please me. Even on a date, I'll be a cheap person. Can't stand champagne, makes me very, very ill. Don't try and give me snails, and don't try and give me caviar. Other than that, cheap date. Give me a good steak and I'm all done. Some ideas. I don't know why I'm telling you that. Anyway, look at the colour. It is a beauty. Ooh, I do like this. And so liquid lip stain. And let's have a look and try it back. Oh, look at that. That is, I like the color, and this will go really perfect on that. So this is great, actually. So let's have a quick read of what it says. I hate reading. My tongue always gets twisted, so do forgive me. Okay, there's nothing quite like the thought of Valentine's Day to put us on the hunt for a super sexy, long-lasting lippy. Yes, you're right. With its velvet matte finish that makes lips look fuller and poutier, and a color that lasts all night long, we think we've found the one. So that's what this one is. Retail price £14 and £14. Great. Next item, it says here, Crabtree and Evelyn Venetian Violet's Hand Therapy. Mini size, which is recommended retail size retail price £8. It says here, and that is this one. I don't know that this will be £8, but you never know. Okay, it says here, mini size. Okay, full price is actually £8, so maybe this one will be worth about £4 after price. It says here, if the date goes well enough to justify a little under the table hand action. What is this? Oh, I beg your pardon. Did I just just read that right. I'm just going to start this again. This is what it says here. Oh my goodness. Okay. If the date goes well enough to justify a little under the table hand action, by which we mean holding hands, of course, get it right, then you'll be glad that this has become your handbag staple. A luxury, rich hand cream from the ultimate purveyors of hand treatments. This scrumptious blend of nutrient-rich oils will leave your mitts feeling truly pampered and smelling good enough to eat. 15% off online exclusive at Crabtree. So if you wanted to go over there, you can also use a code of Roccabox to get 15% off, valid from the 1st of February to the 28th of February. So you go to Crabtree online and on their website, and you can buy that. So that is yeah. So let's go and try the smell and see what it's like. Test it out. Oh God, it's got one of those little oh, I forgot, I took my false nails off. Thank God for that, otherwise I wouldn't have been able to take this little thing off. And just to test it out and smell it. Oh, it does smell gorgeous, actually. It is so nice and so smooth. Disappears. Yeah, but it also has like a powdery, baby powder smell to it as well, but it is actually quite nice. Super nice formula, actually, super absorbent. I like this very, very much. I could see myself purchasing this a full-size cream, actually. So that's the second item. The third item is the Double Fierce and Fine graphic pen. Retail price is £15, or Doucce Bold Control graphic marker. Retail price is £15. So let's have a look. That's this one here. These waterproof graphic liner pens are going to be your secret weapon in perfecting that date night smoky eye. We can guarantee that without the hustle of tugging and pulling, and with a formula that miraculously doesn't smear, woo, okay, smudge or flake, wow, you'll be nailing that winged flick once and for all. So this is it, and this one is yes. So I don't know whether I'm saying it right, or is it Doucce? Well, it might be Doucce. I'm saying, hopefully I haven't butchered it. Do let me know if I have. Try and be kind, will you? It's Doucce. So there you have it, and let's just try and test it out. See what the pencil's like. If I can open it. Oh, I like the fact that it's pointed. Oh, I think I like this. Really like the applicator. It's actually bendable. It's not one of those where it's super pointed, but it's so stiff you can't glide it along the whole length of your eye. You have to go small section by small section, which is not for me. Reminds me a lot of the Stila Stay All Day, the way that it actually flexes, although it's a lot thicker. Obviously the Stila pencil is much slimmer. This one is a thicker, but the actual applicator is actually quite nice, and it is super black. So very happy with this, very happy. Next item is this one here. This is this is the Flashpatch Restoring Night Eye Gel, sorry, and the retail price, recommended retail price says is £18. Really? Okay. Oh, all right, not cheap then. Better work on my eyes then by the time I'm finished with it. It says here, this set of eye gels designed to be used just before you go to bed contains a powerful dose of anti-aging retinol and peptides and arnica to soothe tired eyes. In other words, you'll be brighter, you'll... Calm down, Brunel. Calm down. The excitement is getting to me. It says here, in other words, they'll brighten eyes, reduce dark circles, and fight wrinkles in just 5 minutes. Woo! Okay. Refining the meaning of beauty sleep. Okay. All right then. Fine. Okay. Correspond to 5-pack. Recommended retail corresponds to 5-pack. Okay, so 5-pack usually costs £18, and in here you have got how many? I think there's only the one pack in here. Okay, so break it down mathematically. Forget it, I'm not doing it right now. Okay, so and the final item is this. Okay, one of those brushes. And this one is the StyLondon Oval Foundation Brush. Recommended retail price usually £7.99 for this. It says here, we've been itching to get our hands on one of these miracle brushes for a while now. They have, apparently. Once you've applied your foundation with this beauty, you'll never in capital, by the way, not just any or never in capital. Okay, you'll never go back to using your fingers. I don't use my fingers anyway. No thanks. Right. So seamless application, flawless skin, and a base that couldn't look better if you face tuned it. Say hello to your new favorite tool. I've never face tuned anything at all in my life. Don't intend to either. So that is this brush. It's Bodley, and it's one of those funny brushes. I bought some a while ago, actually last year, but to be honest, apart from doing a review on it, I've never used it ever since. They have their uses, I suppose. But yeah, so these are the contents. Not bad at all, actually, this month. I'm not disappointed with this collection of stuff at all. I'm very, very happy. I cannot wait to use the actual eye pencil itself, the eyeliner, and the hand cream is super lovely, so nice. And obviously, I'm really, really happy with the lip color as well. It's very, very, really well pigmented and very opaque. One of those where you only need one swipe and it should work really well. And I'm happy with the color, love that. The brush, yeah, I'm not too bothered. The eye gel, actually, I can't wait to try that either, which sounds as if it's a really, really good eye gel. So these are my lot for this month. I am super happy with the lot. What do you guys think? Worth it this month or not? Let me know, and any questions, don't forget to ask, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you haven't already. I appreciate it very, very much. See ya.